Kuya, oy. Wag gyud dugo. Gawa sa lubot na ano.
Choke man.
You're scared?
Uy, that's not safe, that's not safe.
Wow. Zumba is eating.
That's what I mean.
Nakalimutan ko yung damit mo. Nagmamadali kami.
But how can eat? Why so long eat?
Hindi mo palit ni Kuya, bahala na rin. Bahala.
Babe, no.
Uy, right? Why so
Kaya nga,
long?
katutok pang ano.
He's still killing it. And then after, he will swallow it.
Pre, ang saan pag-upload ani sa Facebook? Ang video pa rin harap ko.
Oh, it's dead. So look.
Sunod pre, higa pre.
You watch it, he will swallow it. It's like live National Geographic.
Okay ra patanaw ng mga bata na, pre.
Anak mo, pinapahulog.
Very good. I'm so proud of you, Zuma. Your first meal with me.
First meal, ha?
With
Oh my God!
Pwede pa na mo video to, no? Higa pre, ayo tindog kay batik ka na i-upload nimo. Higa ba? Higa ba?
Summer is already used to this, right, Summer? You
Sama.
always look at Daddy feeding his snakes, right? Right? You're used to this. You saw this so many times already.
Not.
After, we will feed your Ninong Anthony. He will eat a pig.
Oy.
Why so long eat?
Can you stand up there, Eve?
Why so
So
long
that
eat?
the light. Ako sa pinunod
Why
ko
it's so
there.
long eat?
Thanks. Thank you, Eve.
Why so long eat?
Because his mouth is small and he has no hands like us.
Yeah. Oh, it's trying to swallow it now.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Eee!
Ikaw yung screen ton para mo focus yun na ton.
Don't you pity the mouse?
The mouse is naked.
So many directors.
Ninang and Ninongs.
Hindi siya na ako kay bako-bako na ko.
Please, you pull Summer away sa isa. Because after I need to move the snake already. And make it rest.
Ito naman yung LG.
So, as you all know, I had to move the snake here. I didn't feed the snake in his house.
Why?
Because the snake will be... If you feed the snake always in his house, every time you open it, he will think that you're going to feed him. So, it's better you move him somewhere and then you feed him separately. So that he will not accidentally bite you.
Look at the
Because if you're holding the rat and you open his tongue, he might bite you by accident. He will think that your hand is the rat. You understand?
Babe ka na, babe. I-video ang tanap. Kaya swallow it na. Babe. Katoo, para kita si Imoy-Moy, babe. Ang swallow na.
Kita rin mo yun.
Ngayon, di nga patanaw ko.
Ha?
Patalawan kayo, no?
Si Anika
Very
Sarado,
good.
Iya na eh. May mga buhok-buhok, mga balibo sa daga.
Pre, madung ka na ba ka-upload na ko ano sa YouTube? Lahat kayo, marinig. Maglagay ako ng comment si Edward yan, si Anthony yan. Na-miss ni Anthony yung strike.
Pre, birahan.
Ayo, pre, ayo.
Wala siyang hipon, pre.
Nauna siyang ipon, pre. Mauna yung gamiton ng pool.
No, I don't.
Do you see that? The rat?
Lolo, grabe yun. Inaog na. Yakin dito. Di siya matukan na, pre. Matukan. Machok.
Tingnan mo ba yung tali din sa ano, diba? Mas dagko pag gani. Ano, parang sa...
Hi, Sama! Girl.
Okay.
Very good.
Kiss mo na siya. Ninong Ryan.
Now,
Din.
he is pushing it towards the center of his stomach.
Kiss Tita Shine.
Very good. That's all. Say bye. Eddie J, say bye. Bye. Say bye, Eve. Say bye, Summer.
Keep it up.
Say bye, Anthony.
Bye.